What is going on with YouTube? I am back with another video. In my last one, I talked to you guys about changing out these recovery hooks located down here at the bottom of the truck. Today is the day. I finally got them in yesterday, so I'm here at a local shop. A guy's actually going to install them for me. So here's the actual shackles that actually come on, that's going to go on the bottom of it. And again, this will slide in place of the ones that's down at the bottom of the truck, and it will connect. And then this actually is the actual recovery hook I decided to go with. And let you guys take a look at that. I think this actually color matches the truck really well as far as the GM logo. It's pretty much the same kind of root beerish kind of finish to it. So it'll be going down at the bottom, so you'll be able to tell a huge difference. So he's going to get on installing these things. It shouldn't take a long time, but again, with anything that you're doing, it's going to take us a little bit extra, especially if it's something new. So I saw a video about turning the wheel here outward, and then he's going to be taking off the actual pins down here at the bottom. And so there's two located down there that he's going to take care of. One there, a couple here at the top. He'll fold that back to be able to access the hook that's located down here, and he'll do the same thing on the other side. And that's when he will basically use an 18-inch millimeter attachment to take that off, and then we will go into installing these new brackets here. So guys, stay tuned. Once he starts to install, I'll take some pictures of that as well. All right guys, one down, one to go. That's how she looks compared to what is on there right now. So in order to get this one on, now mind you, like I said earlier, this tire has to be pointed outward. Right now he's got it pointed inward because he's in the process of doing that one. But it was 8 screws that he had to take out inside the wheel well, and then pull, like I said, the carpeting back here outward to reach back there for it. So these are the old recovery hook. It's located right here. And this is the cover that kind of goes over it, so we won't be using that anymore. So right now he's in the process of getting the other one together, and I'll take a quick tour around here so you can kind of see how this thing is going. Okay, YouTube, I'm back and I'm home, and I wanted to show you guys how those tow recovery hooks look in front of the truck. And I think they turned out looking really good. It gives the truck a really nice look. I think this is another mod that actually helps enhance the overall appearance of the truck. It's been raining here in the Carolinas over the last few days, so I kind of just sprayed off the truck really quickly just to get rid of some of the debris and stuff that had caked up on it, so you guys get a really good look of the overall appearance of the truck. But those recovery hooks just looks absolutely amazing on here. I think they really turned out looking really good on both sides of the truck. I think when you back up and you just like looking at the truck on the approach angle now, it just looks so freaking good. I mean, even when I back all the way up, and I did that as I was parking and checked my mail, I mean, the truck just looks so good with those recovery hooks. This gives you an update as far as really quickly about them. The Shackles themselves, or the mount brackets, they're actually by Wheel Truck, so I got these online. They were about 70 bucks for both. They do not come with any hardware because you use the hardware that actually is already on the truck, as far as the screws, the bolts, and stuff like that. So it's basically made for that, so you don't have to worry about that. The hole that's on here is a 7/8, and most brackets, most tow hooks that I saw online, they were right around that same measurement. And you can get them thicker or longer or whatever, but I wanted to kind of be in the shape of kind of what I already had. So these are 3 3 3/4, and then the hole itself, like I said, is a 7/8. So that's the look of the truck. I think it really turned out looking really good. So I'm really happy with it. So guys, that is the video. I just kind of wanted you guys to take a look at that really quickly, and man, this build is really coming along really cool, really nice. So guys, I got another one coming up soon, and what I will do, guys, I will update you on any of the progress I got going on with the truck. But guys, please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.